This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maria Pratt. Move-in ready, barely lived in bright and spacious corner coach home within a gated community. Built with an open floor plan and chef's dream kitchen offering plenty of counter space for food prep, and a breakfast bar that opens to the great room, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Designer finishes in a neutral palette. 42 rich wood tone cabinets with under cabinet lighting, stainless appliances, luxurious granite countertops throughout and subway tile glass backsplash in the kitchen. Crown molding, wood window sills, 5 1/4 baseboards, 8 doors, and 9 feet 4 inches ceilings. Indoor laundry with washer and dryer, and blinds on all windows. 18 tile on the diagonal and brand new carpet with upgraded padding already installed in the second and third bedrooms, with the master and stairs in the process of being installed. Need a home office? We have it, with tile flooring and beautiful double French doors. Impact windows and doors for your peace of mind. Enjoy your favorite beverage in your private screened in lanai overlooking the lake. Close to shopping, restaurants, I-75 and the beaches. Resort-style amenities with beautiful pool and waterfall, bocce ball court, and fitness center. For more information, review the details below.